So I'm going to show you how to fix the black and white screen on your Apple Watch SE3. So if you find yourself with a screen like this, which is black and white, no color, all you need to do is press on the crown to go to the main menu and then find settings. Under settings, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that, and then under accessibility, if you scroll down, you will see color filters. So you can tap on that and check if you have color filters enabled, and then you can turn that off. Or if you go one step back, you can also check contrast. Maybe it's turned on and that's increasing the contrast and causing your screen to look almost black and white. You can turn that off from here. So these two settings, contrast and color filters, you want to make sure both of them are off, and you should be able to get color back to your Apple Watch SE3. Thanks for watching and good luck.